All right, real quick before my next fourth grade class comes in, we're going to be playing bowling for dollars. And we've got 6 lanes set up. Students will be in groups of 3 or 4. They will get the pins from their bucket and they will set up all 10 pins. The bowler will go down to that end and they get 2 shots to knock down as many pins as they can. Now, based on the number of pins that they knock down, they add those 2 shots together, and then you can see on the score sheet here, it'll tell them how many dollars they earned based on the number of pins that they knocked down. After their second shot, they will go over to, usually me, I'm usually sitting over here with all the money as the banker. They'll tell me how many pins they got and they'll get paid. If I have a student who is on a medical or can't participate for some reason, I'll let them be the banker. And I play this activity with 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade. So they're practicing that rotation of bowler, then they go to pin setter, then they go to ball returner. And you can see, let's see up here, scroll back. That's kind of how it looks. The ball returner and pin setter are kind of down at one end of the gym, and the bowler obviously down at the other side. So we call this bowling for dollars. The students really enjoy winning the money, and at the end of the game, they will add up the total amount of money that their team was able to collect, and then they can see who made the most. We have a little fun with that at the end. So it gets them working together and counting, adding all of their money together. And students really enjoy this one because anytime you can get the money out and kids get paid, it's always a good time.